guys. Nahuman na akong makeup guys finally. And wala mo kabot kay nalubat mo ako. Dili magbuot. Nakasaon na ko guys. I don't know if makita ninyo but like it na. And look at my nails. Wait lang guys. Is it okay if
I'm gonna find steak morsel. Steak morsel. I got one morsel. And one morsel. I like, why are you crying for me? I want you, I want you, I want you crying for me. I want you, That's a song, that's a song. And I wanted to sing, or I started the song. And what did I'm gonna find steak morsel. I'm gonna find steak morsel. So I got one
no
morsel.
randay guys?
And one morsel.
Isip ko po dito sa
I like, why are you crying for me? I want you, I want you, I want you crying for me? I want you, That's a song, that's a song.
pum 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 pum.
Bro, this better be strawberry elephant. Wow! Bro, I'm so mad. This is the worst Christmas gift. I'm selling this trash.
Wait, can I please have it?
No, you knew. Why would I do that, you? You trashed me out.
He could have just gave it to me.
I hope I get something good. Mommy, beanie pizza, I love my new beanie.
Hey, can I please have your new beanie? I'm so poor.
Okay.
Wow, you're so kind. Christmas surprise for Bacon.
My new beanie pizza,
Bacon, follow me! Here's your surprise, but can you tell everyone to like and subscribe?
Okay, everyone please like and subscribe.
Okay, go ahead.
pa.
Hindi ka panilig. Ay, naman lagi di ay ni. Bisa di ka.
Kuha, sweldo. Yung
Okay.
sweldo.
Kita sa kumpiyan ba? May radyo ko buwa din ako bidala si Usti. Uy, nagkaumig pinigit. Balat ka o gawin ng yun no. Ang sakit mo na kumpiyan. Ay, nagbubugay ito si Sitchel sila ni kami guys.
Kaya masadam.
Akong sabay 4.
Ano ka ba? Pwede mag-inom nila gabi eh.
Isa na po ka ba?
Si Ganggang o si Kuan.
Chiche.
Che. Ano daw? Dali ka. Ano